Speak version equals 1.0 XML, lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUS Skyneural. Prosody rate equals -11%, pitch equals -1 Hz. Yo, I found something interesting. I didn't expect much from this best world premiere Blackview, but its break time equals 180 ms / actually pretty solid. It break time equals 180 ms / honestly looks more premium than I thought. Honestly, it doesn't feel cheap at all. The more I used it, the more it made sense. It break time equals 180 ms / actually made daily stuff easier. Break time equals 180 ms / honestly. Break time equals 180 ms / honestly. Price-wise, break time equals for 50 ms / break emphasis level equals moderate time equals for 50 ms / emphasis. I've seen similar stuff cost way more. Links there if you're curious. Anyway, thanks for watching. /prosody /voice /speak